As Prime Minister Narendra Modi prepares to land in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has sent him a crucial list of demands, with the state witnessing a bumper harvest but struggling with unseasonal rains. The CM is asking, will the centre relax the rules to save our farmers? The code issue revolves around moisture content in paddy. Farmers need the limit raised from 17% to 22% immediately. Stalin warns that without this, the historic harvest could turn into a historic loss. Part 2. This is the 1-minute short summary of this news report. For the detailed report, keep watching this report further. Part 3. On November 18, 2025, just a day before Prime Minister Narendra Modi's scheduled visit to Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin escalated the concerns of the state's farmers to the highest level. In an official letter written on Monday, Stalin pressed for immediate central intervention regarding paddy procurement. The backdrop is significant. Tamil Nadu has seen a bumper harvest in this Kuruvai season. However, the northeast monsoon has brought heavy rains, increasing the moisture content in the harvested paddy. The current central rules cap the permissible moisture content at 17%. CM Stalin is urgently demanding this be relaxed to 22%, citing that central teams have already inspected the affected areas in Tiruchi, Pudukkottai and Tanjavur. Yet no orders have been issued. Furthermore, Stalin pointed out a discrepancy in procurement targets. While the state expects to procure around 20 lakh metric tons due to the high yield, the centre has fixed the target only at 16 lakh tons. He demanded this cap be revised to match actual production. Additionally, he requested logistical changes, asking to increase packing size of fortified rice kernels from 25 kg to 50 kg. This political and administration move highlights the ongoing tension between state needs and centre regulations. Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has raised 3 critical demands to protect the state's farmers. Reported on November 18, 2025, this development comes as Tamil Nadu faces a unique challenge, a bumper harvest complicated by heavy monsoon rains. In this video, we analyze the CM's letter. Why is the moisture content limit of 17% hurting farmers? Why is the state demanding a relaxation to 22%? We also look at the procurement target dispute. Centre 16 lakh tons versus state 20 lakh tons projection. With central teams having already visited the ground, why are the orders delayed? Join us as we decode the politics and economics behind this urgent appeal.